Hello everyone, my name is Julieta Sepulveda. Welcome to class again. Continue with the lesson listening and speaking. Today we are going to practice this lesson using and learning a song in English in order to improve and expand your vocabulary using an application. The application is Lingo Clip. Lingo Clip is a new and fun way to learn English and other languages through music, playing with the videos and lyrics by filling in the lyrics of your favorite songs. I'm going to explain you how to use this application. Let's get started. The first step is to go to lingoclick.com. lingoclick.com. When you are in the page, you need to create your username. So, click in top right of screen. When you are in this screen, you need to enter your username. I am in my username in my case. Then you need to type the name of the song that you want to practice. The song is You Are Beautiful. You're beautiful. I select the song You're Beautiful of James Blunt. Then I need to select the option that I want to practice. In my case, I want to practice as beginner. When I am on the screen, I look for the option New Exercise. I type the title, Practice 1. Then I select Beginner. Then I select Type and Selection. Then I need to select the words that I want to fill in my game. So I select Brilliant, Life, Pure, Angel, Sure, Subway, Smile, Subway, Another, Sleep, Beautiful, True, Crowd, and then I select Save. So the system are saving the words that I want to practice in the game. Then I select the preview option and click on the video to start the game. When the song starts playing, I need to complete the lyrics by writing the missing words or selecting the correct option. Okay, so
My life is brilliant.
I need to write the word.
Life is brilliant.
If the word is correct, the song continues. The next word is life.
My life is brilliant. My love is pure.
Pure.
Love is pure. I saw an angel.
Angel.
Of that I'm sure. She
Very
smiled
sure.
at me on. Of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway.
Smile.
She was with another man.
Subway.
Smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man. She was with another man. But I won't lose no sleep on that. Cause I've
Sleep.
got a sleep on that. Cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
So,
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place,
in a crowd,
and I don't know this place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with.
okay. If I had all the words correct in this part, there are the points that I win. I have the points. If I have a mistake in this part, appears the points. Okay, it's a good exercise to practice and to remember new vocabulary. Okay, class, so now you are going to practice your exercises. Okay, let's continue.